morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
No, it's not up yet.
We are going to start with a G harmonic minor scale. So that's not something that you have memorized and you want to pull out your folk tunes book. Now is your chance. Otherwise, you can just follow along. We're going to start in half notes, I think. Starts on G. Ready, and G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F sharp, G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F sharp, G, F sharp, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G, F sharp, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G. Give that another go. 2 octaves, G harmonic minor. Ready, and G. Alright, so we're going to use the same scale, and this time we're going to go up 3 notes, back 1, and then up 3 notes again. So we'll go past G to A at the top, and then we'll go past G on the bottom. So violins, you can fudge the F sharp with an A or just put a rest in. So rising 3s, same scale. We'll do this one with 3 count notes. G, A, B flat. Now you're back to A, B flat, C. Back to B flat, B flat, C, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, F sharp, E flat, F sharp, G. We'll pause there for a second so I can let someone else in. So this is G harmonic minor scale, rising 3s, and we will start again on open G and do the 2 octaves. G harmonic minor, and go. G, 2, 3. A, B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, C, D, C, D, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, C, 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 D, C, D, E f way down, starting from the G. Now put a little turnaround on the end as well. And go. G, F sharp, E flat, F sharp, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, D, C, E flat, C, E flat, A, B flat, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, E flat, F sharp, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, D, C, E flat, C, E flat, A, B flat, A, G, A, G, cello's F sharp, violins, rest for a beat, and then back to G. Or I said you could do the A, if you remembered, from all the way back when I started that. Good deal. So cellos, measure 30. You're going to need that kind of thing going on in there, and right before 25. So violins, as promised, fingerings starting in measure 20, you're in first position. This is in the Rondo, the second duet that we've been working on. So measure 20, you're in first position, you play open D, then you play 3 on A, and then you've heard the note, so you can shift. Those last 3 eighth notes in the measure are in third position on first finger, 1, 1, 1. The next note will still be 1. The next finger you need will be 4, still on the A string, and then have to do violin fingers while holding a cello. 3, and this 3 is the 3 that would be close to 2, usually. So it doesn't touch your 4. 1, so that measure, 1, 4, 3. Then you're going to take your 3, move it over to the D string, and then go back to the A string, and when you put your 2 down, it's like a low 2 in third position. It needs to touch your 1. So that measure is going to be 3, 2, 1. Next measure, you're on the D string, 1. This time you need to have the 2 with the whole step, so the normal 2 in third position that you'd be thinking about. The 3 will touch, and then on the A string 1, back on the D string 4. Yes, there are other solutions, but we'll keep it straight in third right now. So next measure, you're starting on a 3, 3, 2, 1 on the D string, 4 on G string, and then over to A string, 3, it's like low 2 in third position. It will touch your 1, and measure 25, you've got a 1 again. So 25, 1, 4, 3. 26, 3, low 2, 1. 27, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the 3 touches the 2 there. Next measure is where you're shifting to first position. If you know second position could be nice there, but we'll give you the easiest possible fingering. It would be shift to first position, 2, 3, high 3, 4. Second easiest would probably be 2, 3, 4 open, but we'll keep it on the same string if you need second easiest. The rest of the measure, those are regular first position fingering, so it shouldn't be a problem. So we are going to start in measure 20. and the goal is 25, and I will play violin part first. Cellos, don't be lonely. As far as you guys, you need low 1 for B flat on the A string. You need to remember F is natural, that's 2. 2 measures before 25, it's E flat, E natural. So possible solutions there, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 1, 2. And there's good reasons for both, but I won't explain it now. Go on that. So this click is now our 8th note, so we're not going too fast. We're still in learning tempo. It's the same speed we were working last week. This is measure 20. I'm playing the violin part first. Whole entire measure. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, shift. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Finger 4. First note of 25. Looks like people made it. Let's start at 20 again. New goal measure is 2 measures later where you shift to first position. Cellos, it'll be almost the end of the line. I'm still playing violin part. 4, 5, 6. Key change to 3. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Once again, back to measure 20. The new goal is the other key change. So this is going to be the whole section. Cellos, I haven't forgotten you. I'll be in your part soon. Still measure 20. 4, 5, 6. Alright, so this time I'm going to play the cello part, and we are still starting at measure 20. Measure 20, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, shift. 4, 5, 6. Cellos, I did shift up the D string. You don't have to. You can stay on A and do that C with a C. So if you're getting confused, the fourth position shift is not required. We're going to go back to measure 20, same section. Still playing the cello part. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Violin shift. 5, 6. Key change. So we're going to quickly review the last week's things. Before we do, violins, you get to practice your shift in measure 11, please. So we're going to do measure 11 to the end of the line. Violins, 4, 5, 6. Shift. That's why I wanted to double check it. Starting in first position, measure 11. 4, 5, 6. Third. So we better do it one more time. 4, 5, 6. So we are back at the beginning of the movement. I'm playing cello part first, and the goal is the hold. We're going to try and get the whole big chunk together, so you have an idea. So violins, you will have to count carefully and come in accurately on that shift in measure 20. Major to minor. Back at the beginning, I will count a half measure. Cello's in her first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, violin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So do remember that this is not the permanent tempo. This is just learning tempo. So some of those really long bows won't be that way when it's a faster tempo. We're going back to the beginning, doing the same amount again. This time I will play the violin part. So cellos, you'll have to enter aggressively without my assistance. From the top. Half measure count in. Major to minor. 1, 2, 3. Cello, 5, 6. Good deal. Alright, so we're going to do one other little spot. Cellos, you're going to start at measure 1 where you come in. And violins, you're going to start halfway through measure 9 where it says grazioso. So this is what we did the very, very first week we touched this piece, where people were working in different spots but kind of playing the same melody for almost 8 measures. So this first time, I'll play cello part. Second time, I'll probably play violin part. But everybody is starting in a different spot. I will count in by counting 1, 2, 3. Even though, yeah, it's 1, 2, 3 for everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Same spot. I know it changes a little bit at the end. This time I'm playing violin part. Halfway through measure 8 where it says grazioso, cellos are still at the beginning. little tiny rehearsal area. 1, 2, 3. Spot. So G major scale, G minor scale, both of those things back to back will help you with this. You want to be practicing those shifts isolated outside of the piece and then put them back in. On the website right now there's kind of some cool things. The Stars and Stripes Hall of Fame is up and active, so if you want to hear how some other people tackle the Stars and Stripes, you can do that. And there is a happy birthday Isaac Watts today. So that will also be interesting. 30 seconds if you have questions. Otherwise, I'll see you next week.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good class.
Glad
Thank
you
you,
liked it.
Mary.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.